Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate LinkedIn with Zapier. First of all, open zapier.com website and sign in with your account and tap on Zap to create a Zap. I will click on Zap, a new page will open. From here you have two options, trigger and action. So to trigger, we will select trigger. In the search bar, we will type LinkedIn. As you can see, we have LinkedIn just right here. From here, we will choose an event. For example, what kind of event do we want? For example, you can create new event registration from response or new lead generation from response. So I will click on new lead generate from response, and after that you have to connect your LinkedIn account on this section. And after you connected your account, now go to the actions tab. Now in the actions tab you have a ton of options. For example, you can connect your Google Sheets. For example, if a new lead generation from response occurs, then it will add, for example, you can add any event, clear a spreadsheet row. You can, for example, update a row in your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. For example, you can also change the application from Google Sheets to Instagram. You can connect your Instagram, you can choose any event, and it's totally up to you that what do you want and what kind of trigger or action do you want when a new lead generation from response occurs. So that's basically how you can integrate LinkedIn with Zapier. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.